How to change the email of your Ubisoft account. Hey there, welcome back. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to change the email on your Ubisoft account to using iPhone or Android. Before doing anything, ensure that you can do it on your app. You need to use any browser. Open any browser, search Ubisoft, tap on the official link, and now enter your email and password. After a successful login, tap on account information and now tap on edit below on the private information. After that, tap on change and tap on send. Then tap on got it. After that, they will send you a link email on your check and tap on it. Now enter your new email address in the pop-up. Enter the verification code that has been sent to your new email address and tap on confirm. After that, your email will be changed. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.